welcome back to my channel. This was a spur of the moment video. I kind of just randomly got the idea literally 5 minutes ago to do this video, but we are here. Hope you guys are doing well with all this crazy quarantine stuff. I'm slowly losing my mind, but that's okay. Yeah, so anyways, so today's video, I was inspired because I was scrolling on Facebook and I saw someone like make a status about how I said, I swear I'm the only one who doesn't know how to put on lashes. So today's video is going to be a tutorial on how to apply false lashes like a pro. So do not ask me what lashes I am wearing because it is a secret. It will be revealed in due time. But for now, the brand of lashes we're more than likely going to be using is Lilly lashes. And I guess I'll use these in the style Cabo. Yes, they look crazy. These are the lashes I always wear when I'm not wearing these. But if you're interested in learning how to put on lashes, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I am aware that I look crazy. I just peeled off the other lashes. So it's going to make my eyeliner look weird because it took that off. So whatever. So, okay. So starting out, best thing to do is get a good pair of lashes. Starting out, I wouldn't recommend spending crazy amount of money on lashes. I feel like $20 isn't too bad for lashes, in my opinion. I think it's a great price. But if you're like beginner and to the point where you may like rip them, then I would stick with like cheap Ardell Wispies or something like that. And then work your way up until you get more and more skilled with putting them on and it gets easier and you're not ripping them. So the lashes I'm using are by Lilly Lashes. These are $30 a pair. I know, steep, but I love Lilly Lashes. And I also love another pair of lashes, but anyways, so the first things first, you'll take them right. I don't know if I should start with like a brand new pair of lashes. No, I don't want to do that. So, okay, so I'm going to take the lashes right out of the pack. So when I take them out of the pack, they'll look like this. Mine look crazy because I've worn these before. So what you would do is, normally before I put on lashes, like even if I know what the lash like style looks like, if I did a new makeup look, I will not just glue and push it on my eye. I always make it like put it on my eyes first before I put the glue on to make sure that I like how they look. So we're gonna zoom on in, and so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take the lash and we're just gonna put it right on your eye. It's kind of, you can kind of get an idea of what it looks like on. So this is what the lash would look like on. There is no glue. Trust me, it gets better and faster with time. I was able to just 1-2 pop because this is something I do all the time. I know with those who are learning how to like put on lashes and all that kind of stuff, it might take a while to like measure it and get it to just sit like that. But trust me, keep practicing, and it will do that. Also, I always recommend that you put on mascara before you put on lashes, because it also helps it blend in better and you won't see your lashes looking crazy underneath. So the lash mascara that I'm using is the Lilly Lashes XXX mascara. You can use any mascara. Any mascara will work as long as you have some on. And then go ahead and pop it on. So this is what it looks like. If it is too long, you'll just take it and trim it wherever it's too long. I suggest trimming from the inner corner rather than the outer corner, because the outer corner, depending on the style of lashes, is normally where it's the longest. So like for this style, I'm trying to hold it in a way where you can see, or I have tweezers too. See if that'll be easier. So for this style, you can see here. There we go. It is longer on the outer corner and shorter on the inner corner. So you don't want to just cut off on the outer corner because then you're going to slowly start to take it out. And I think that looks funny. So you're better off taking it from the inner corner. So just take off a tiny little piece and then just keep measuring. Of course, you don't want to take off the entire lash. That will look crazy. But yeah, so it's just 1, 2, 3 pop. Once you've cut the lash to where it feels comfortable, because more than likely lashes are more likely to poke on the inner corner, so that's where they're more likely to get. You could feel it poking at you and you're like gonna make your eyes water, and if your eyes start watering, your lash is gonna come off. I've had it happen way too many times. So make sure that it fits comfortably and it feels good. So then after that, next is your glue. With my experiences when it comes to lash glue, the worst lash glue I've ever used is by, dang, what is it? It was a clear lash glue, and I believe it was by it wasn't Ardell. It was, I don't remember the brand. I'm trying to see if I have it in here. Yeah, I don't think I have it. It wasn't, oops, I'm being rude. It was a clear lash glue, and it burned. Like, it burned my eyelids. Like, it was really bad, and to the point where I couldn't use it anymore. So my first favorite lash glue is the Lilly Lashes Lash Glue. I'm not going to show, well, okay. So it's the white adhesive. I like this one because it dries clear. They have black, so it dries black. Starting out, I would never recommend you get black lash glue. Why? Because if you mess up, and let's say when you put the glue and you're like, ugh, and it gets like up here, then you got black glue on your lids, and then you look crazy. So no, I always recommend starting with a clear lash glue or white that turns clear. I would never recommend a purely clear lash glue, like the ones where you can see through, because that's what burned me. I'm not allergic to a lot of things. I don't have skin sensitivities. Well, depends on what it is. But I've never had an issue with lash glue until I tried that one. And actually, makeup products in general have never really broken me out, knock on wood. But that, oof, I had literally burn scars. It looked like where my eyeliner is, I had burn scars. And then what was stupid about me is that I kept wearing it and kept putting it on, and I messed up my eyeballs. So yeah. Also, tip number 2 for brand new beginners to lashing, I suggest you get a applicator that has like a brush. That is the easiest way, because all you gotta do is just take it and brush it on. Literally all you gotta do. I love, my second favorite like brand of lash glue would be Duo, and I love the normal Duo. The normal Duo is a squeeze tube, but for that one, you're gonna literally have a hard time because it's gonna squirt out, and then you're gonna get too much glue, and you're gonna be like, crap, I have too much glue. What do I do now? They also make a brush-on adhesive. It is the green packaging, so it's white and green. The normal Duo is blue and white. I believe the black drying adhesive is red and white. And I believe they have a pink version too. I don't know what that does. Never tried that. But ever since I tried the Lilly Lashes lash adhesive, I haven't gone back. If you don't like shopping online, you can get the Lilly Lashes lash adhesive from Sephora. Otherwise, if you are okay with shopping online, it is on Sephora.com. It's only $13. Love it. I wear lashes almost every day, and it takes me about 2 months or so, or probably even longer, to go through a whole entire tube of lash glue. I always have an extra in my lash corner. I actually am about to run out. I think I actually do have another box of lash glue in here somewhere. Yep, I do. I have a Lilly Lashes brush on adhesive box right here. It's black. The ones I normally get is white. Oh, okay, that answers my question. It's clear. So here's another lash glue I have ready, right on hand. Best $13 I've ever spent. Of course, I know Duo is cheaper, but if you want lashes that won't budge, there you go. So if you're wondering, where did my lashes go? I put glue on them already. All you have to do, I did show part of it. I just took the brush and brushed it on, and literally all I have to do is just, if you place them on top of the box of your lashes, you can leave them there, and you just have to wait about 30 seconds or so for the glue to get tacky. So for this one, it's when it starts to go from clear, like not clear, but from like white to like a bluish. So like right now it's almost there, it's not there yet, but when it gets to like a deeper blue, then it's ready for you to apply. If your glue is too wet, they're going to slide and they won't stick. You have to wait for it to get tacky to where when you pop it on, literally it's stuck. It won't get stuck to where you can't move it, but it's better than when it's loose and runny and you can't get them to stick. So slow down. Wait. So literally what I like to do is when my lashes are starting to get tacky and dry up, I go and do other things for my face. So I'll put on my blush, I'll wipe off my bake and do other things, and then come back to the lashes when that's ready. So I'm gonna give me a minute because I'm cooking potatoes. I'm gonna go check my potatoes real quick, make sure they're not burning, and I'll be right back. Okay, I didn't want to burn my house down. Anyway, so now checking in on them, they are ready. So like, this is what it should look like. So you see how like it's a bit deeper of a blue. So now I'm just gonna take a mirror. Well, I don't actually really need the mirror. I can look in the camera, but to make it easier. So all you gotta do is just, let me see if I can zoom in anymore. All you gotta do is just take it and go right on top. And then just pull down, so that way, like, readjust going downward. So that way it's as close to the lash line as it can get. Don't worry if you see glue like that. It will dry clear. And that's it. That's all you gotta do. I'll show you again because I got the other one to do. So remember, I look crazy because I pulled off my other lashes. There you go. It might be easier because what I was doing just now, so my mirror is right here, right? And I'm looking down. So all you gotta do, so it may make it easier if you look down in place right on top. So that way you can see where you're going. Just look down and go whoop. So I'll zoom out so that way you can see what I was doing. So I'm looking, so I'm gonna have to stand up so you can see. So I'm looking like this. And then you plop right on top. Of course, as you get better and better at it, you won't have to look down like that to put them on. If you look up, it's going to be so hard to do because your natural lashes are right there and it's going to block. So if you look down, you could just be like, whoop, boop, done. So that's basically it. If you feel like your lashes are looking like a little crazy, like your natural lashes when you look up, and if you feel like they're looking crazy, then all you gotta do is just take some mascara and go like that. I never, ever, ever, ever put mascara on my lashes. I might do it on my cheap ones, but I would never do it on my expensive ones because I feel like that makes them not last as long anymore. That's personally my preference. I mean, there's girls who do it all the time. I'm pretty sure I've seen videos on how to clean your lashes, like as in deep clean them, so like in water, brushing them out so that way they get their fluff back again, and then drying them. I don't trust that with my expensive lashes. I might do it with a pair that I'm going to throw away anyways, that are like got into their uses. I might go ahead and just try and wash them. If you're interested in a video on how to care for your lashes, as in like a deep clean, let me know and I will do a video on that. I'm thinking about it. I actually could do a video on how I clean my lashes normally, like on a day-to-day basis as soon as I'm done wearing them, and then also show like in the same video a version of how to deep clean your lashes. So if you're interested in that, let me know and I'll make a video on that. But yeah, that is it. Surprised that it's a quick video today. Very quick, very easy, very simple. I really hope that this helped you guys in how to put on your strip lashes. I know that at the very beginning it's not the easiest. Trust me, I could if I could find them, I would insert videos of me or pictures of me when I first started wearing lashes. That was crazy looking. But yeah, if this helped you, please leave a like, comment, subscribe down below. Join the family, join the friends. I greatly appreciate it. And yeah, I hope you guys have a good rest of your morning, night, afternoon, whenever I upload this. Bye.